Viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet tissue box cover designs model. A crochet tissue box cover design is a decorative crochet project that fits over a standard tissue box, adding a style and sometimes also to a practical household items. The cover can be customized to match any decor, and it is typically designed with an open top for easy access to tissues. Here are some popular styles and ideas. Simple and elegant basic covers with single or double crochet pieces in solid or vivid colors for a minimalistic look. Floral or nature-inspired covers featuring crocheted flowers, leaves, or textured patterns that mimics nature. Vintage black look, delicate black designs with crochet threads or finer ears for a vintage lacy appearance. Texture-rich patterns using woven stitches, shell stitches, or cables to add texture, giving the cover a plus cozy look. These covers often follow a basic structure, crocheting a square or rectangular for each side of the tissue box, which is then sewn or crocheted together. Patterns are widely available, from beginner-friendly to more advanced. They make excellent gifts or additions to home decor. Here are some tips for making a crochet tissue box cover. Match with the tissue box. Match with the height, weight, and length of your tissue box to ensure the cover fits snugly. Add a little extra room for ease, especially if the box has a unique shape. Choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn is a great choice as it holds shape well and is durable. Avoid stressy or delicate yarns as they may lose shape over time. Consider the color and texture based on where the box will be placed. Use a tight tension. A tighter tension helps the cover maintain its shape. If your stitches are too loose, the cover may sag or slip off the box. Pick a simple pattern to start. If you are new to making tissue box covers, start with simple stitches like single or double crochet. Practice with easy patterns that focus on making rectangular panels. Add a sturdy base. Add a bottom panel to your cover to help it stay on the tissue box, especially if the box will be moved around. comfortably. Reinforce the edge of the opening by adding a round of slip stitches or single crochet for stability. Sew or crochet the panels together. Make individual panels for each side and connect them with slip stitches or sew with tapestry needle. Alternatively, you can crochet the round for a seamless design. Decorate with embellishments. Consider adding a like flower or buttons to make your cover more visually appealing. Be creative with themed covers, especially for different holidays or seasons. Check the fit. Test the cover on the tissue box as you go to ensure it fits properly. Adjust your stitches or rock out if it feels too loose or too tight. Finishing touches. Lock your finished cover if necessary to smooth out the stitches and ensure a polished look. Secure any loose ears ends and add any final decorations. Customize for different box shapes. Not all tissue boxes are the same. Some are square, while others are rectangular or cylindrical. Adjust your pattern to fit the specific box shape. For example, for a cylindrical box, crochet in the round, starting from the base and working up. A tissue box cover is a fun way to practice crochet techniques and add a personal touch to your decor. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!